Good morning, and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Carter Campbell.
Franklin Augustine Thomas was an American businessman and philanthropist who was the president and CEO of the Ford Foundation from 1979 until 1996. After leaving the foundation, Thomas continued to serve in leadership positions in American corporations and was on the board of the TFF Study Group, a non-profit institution assisting development in South Africa.
He pointed out that one day our descendants will think it incredible that we paid so much attention to things like the amount of melanin in our skin or the shape of our eyes or our gender, instead of the unique identities of each of us as complex human beings.
Seniors. Gold tassels are available for graduation. Any senior with a total weighted GPA of 3.0 or higher can collect their gold tassel in the Student Payment Center. Now with Jared.
What's up, Baylors? Good morning. For the forecast today, we got a low of 45 and a high 65. Tomorrow, we got a low of 45 and a high of 63. And for Wednesday, we got a low of 42 and a high of 67.
The last day the Student Payment Center will be accepting personal checks for the 2022 to 2023 school year is Friday, May 19th. Starting Monday, May 22nd, cash or credit card payment only.
Why can't a pterodactyl pee with noise?
Why?
Because the P is silent.
If you are interested in playing for the boys soccer team next season, please come to an informational meeting in room 481 during lunch this upcoming Tuesday, May 9th.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching. And remember, go Balers.